Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying what your Chromebook actually allows and why that matters. First, check Chrome OS version and whether the Google Play Store is enabled. Some models already support Android apps. Next, make sure you have explicit permission from school IT. Don't try to bypass restrictions. Once done, update the OS, free up storage, and confirm a stable 5+ Mbps connection so installations and sign-ins work smoothly. These steps prevent wasted effort and keep you compliant with school rules. Now focus on the main execution without breaking rules. If your school permits cloud gaming or Android apps, use an official service, GeForce Now or the Epic Games app from the Play Store, so you stay within terms of service. Sign in with accounts allowed by your institution and follow any device policies they impose. To improve playability, reduce resolution, close background tabs, and enable power saving. These steps make the experience smoother while keeping you within accepted, supported methods. Finish by completing setup and verifying performance in a short test session. Pair a controller only when permitted, check latency and frame stability, and lower graphics if needed to reduce lag. Make sure saved progress and account settings sync correctly before you stop. If you encounter blocks or firewall restrictions, do not attempt workarounds. Instead, explain your purpose to the IT admin and request access, or play on a personal device off campus. That single troubleshooting step keeps you safe and compliant.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.